Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.